Have you created a custom WooCommerce checkout page with Elementor, but your shipping methods aren't showing up? The problem is usually not the checkout page, it's the shipping configuration. Let's fix it in just a few simple steps using ShopLentor. Before we begin, make sure the Checkout Shipping Method widget is enabled in the ShopLentor settings. The first and most important step is configuring your shipping methods in WooCommerce. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Shipping, and create or edit a shipping zone. Then add the shipping methods you want to offer, such as free shipping, flat rate, or local pickup. Configure each option according to your business needs and click Save Changes. Remember, the Checkout Shipping Method widget displays the shipping methods you've already configured in WooCommerce, so this step is essential. Now, open your checkout template with Elementor, search for the Checkout Shipping Method widget, and simply drag and drop it into your checkout layout. The widget will automatically fetch and display all the shipping methods available for your customer's location. There's no need to configure them again inside the widget. If you'd like to match the design with your brand, open the Style tab. From there, you can customize the typography, colors, labels, spacing, and other styling options to create a clean and professional checkout experience. Once everything is set up, update your template and visit your checkout page. Your customers will now be able to view and select their preferred shipping method with ease. That's how simple it is to add shipping methods to your custom WooCommerce checkout page using the ShopLentor Checkout Shipping Method widget. To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.